Welcome. Today we'll guide you through the updated process of signing in by email address on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official X website. Once there, look for the Create Account option and click on it. Instead of using a phone number, select the Use Email Instead option. Next, enter your name, email address, and date of birth into the respective fields. Once you've filled out this information, click Next to proceed. At this stage, you'll be asked to verify that you're a real person. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete this step. After verification, check your email inbox for a code sent by X. Enter this code into the provided field on the website and click Next. Now create a secure password for your account and click Next again. You're almost done. Now it's time to personalize your account. You'll be prompted to upload a profile photo, choose a username, indicate your interests, and follow at least one account to get started. Take your time completing these steps. They help make your account uniquely yours. And there you have it. You've successfully signed in using your email address and set up your new X account. Enjoy exploring the platform and connecting with others.